Hey guys, welcome back to the video. In the last video, we were asked to merge two sorted array like so. We have one smaller arrays, we have another smaller arrays, and we were asked to combine them together so that the combined array, the bigger one, is also sorted as well. Let's get started. Let's grab this function and put it at the very end, because hopefully it will work at the very end. We can start by defining our function called merge sorted array. It's gonna take the first parameter array1, and it's gonna take the second parameter array2. Then we need to define some variables that we need to use throughout the function. The first one will be a constant, which is the merge array, which will be our answer. For now, it's going to be empty. Also, make sure that we return this array at the very end. Let's grab array1 item. That will be the very first array item of array1. After that, let's grab array2 item. That will be the very first item of array2. The difference between constant and let is that once I assign the constant variable, I cannot change it. Let's check for the inputs first before we do anything else. What if we have something like this, where the second array is just empty? Or when the first array is empty, we need to check for this condition first before we actually do anything. So if the first array is empty, we can just simply return array2. Similarly, if the second array is empty, then we can simply return array1. Okay, so now it's time to actually merge these arrays. I'm going to use a while loop. So the condition for the loop is that, so while the array1 item is valid, or while the array2 item is valid, then we can continue the loop. Otherwise, we exit the loop. Okay, so in the first condition, we want to check if the array1 item is less than array2 item, that is 0 is less than 4. If that's the case, we want to add to the merged array, so we will push the first item in the array. Since we already pushed 0 into the merge array, we don't really need to worry about anymore. We can simply say array1 item is now going to be equal to array1 index of I, right? Because simply we want to move the next item in the array, which is 3, so that we can compare 3 to 4. Now we want to increment this every time. We can do that by simply writing I++. But we do not know what an I variable is, so we have to declare it in the front. So now let's do the other side, where array1 item is actually larger than array2 item. Then we can simply do it just like the first if statement, where we have, now we can have array2 item equal to array2 of index of j. Of course, since we didn't declare j item, we have to do it at the beginning of the function. Now let's test to see if the function actually works. What happened here? It looks like we ran into an infinite loop. This is why this is very important to test your code step by step to see the error, to catch the error beforehand. Okay, so let's just simply, output out the result to see what happened here. Let me see. So what happened is that in the first if statement right here, array2 item became undefined, which means we reached the end of the line. In order to account for that, we can simply say that if array2 item is undefined, then the condition is also true. The critical thing is to know in this exercise is always know how your code is running and to test your code step by step. Alright, it looks like everything is working and our answer is looking very good. I hope you got this far. I'll see you in the next video.